Hey there, fellow preppers. Today, we're going to dive into 50 essential items that every prepper should stockpile. And I mean really stockpile. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about 1,000 lighters and 1,000 packs of matches. You never know when you might need a fire during an emergency situation. Next on our list are 50 gallons of gasoline and 1,000 candles. These will come in handy for lighting in a power outage or when you're trying to keep warm. Moving on to hygiene and wellness items, make sure you have 5 years worth of toilet paper, toothbrushes and toothpaste, soap, deodorant, razors and shaving cream, feminine products, hair combs and brushes, hand sanitizer because we all know how important that is, antibacterial soap for emergencies or just for daily hygiene purposes. Don't forget about baby wipes. They can be used for everything from cleaning up spills to keeping yourself fresh when water is scarce. For cooking supplies, stock up on plastic knives and forks as well as metal ones if you have them, pots and pans with lids, so you can boil water or cook meals in them if necessary. Don't forget about long-lasting food as well. Think rice and beans, which can last up to 20 years if stored properly. And finally, let's not forget about first aid kits. Make sure yours includes bandages of every size, along with medical tape so you can cover wounds while still keeping them clean. That's it for today's list. Remember, being prepared means having a variety of items to cover all aspects of life in an emergency situation. Stay safe out there, preppers, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tips like this one. Thanks for tuning in.